But pork, garlic, ginger bites. I think that's gonna be a thing. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so hear me out. I've been seeing garlic butter steak bites, but I've never seen pork steak bites. Not steak bites, pork bites. So I got me some pork here that I'm gonna cook with some garlic and ginger and some potatoes. And you know, I'm in the truck. Don't watch that. And my pot's over here getting hot. But pork, garlic, ginger bites. I think that's gonna be a thing. Let's try it. Let's try it and see how it goes. Cause me eat pork, and everybody eat pork, but me like pork, and pork tastes nice. So we're gonna try pork, garlic, ginger. Gotta make sure we wash our potatoes before we put them in the pot. So give these a wash while the pot over there is heating up. A little bit more because it's taking forever. But let's go ahead and get these potatoes all washed while the pot gets hot. Like we see how hot it is. Now we're gonna brown them here. Yeah, we're gonna brown them. So we're gonna do them in 2 batches. I make them brown evenly on both sides. So I have another batch there and my potato. So what me I go do now is what me do with my ginger? Supposed to have my ginger somewhere about the place. Yeah. Here. So me I get my ginger and some garlic. And I'm going to dice this up. I'm going to use fresh. Oh no, I have minced ginger in there, so I'm going to use the minced ginger. I'm going to dice up them fresh garlic here to use instead of minced garlic when I have in there. So while then me I go and fry now, me I go cut up the garlic, ginger and butter. Alright, don't judge me, but me I cut them up on napkin. paper towel, whichever you want to call it. Dice them up as best as I can. As small as I can too. So I also have some thyme. So I'm just gonna take off the leaves and add it in my garlic, with my garlic and my ginger. And I have my butter, and yes, I'm using a whole stick of butter because when I done cook the pork, I just gonna throw the potato in there and make the potato cook in all of that. Now I have a piece of broccoli remaining, so from the other day when we cook it, so I'm just gonna use it up so that it don't go bad. Because I don't like waste food, so I'm just gonna cook them in while I cook the potato. I'm not gonna put them in there last because I like my broccoli kind of crunchy, so I'm gonna put them in there last. But you know, you have to clean them up. Alright? Alright. I'm gonna take out the remaining pork here now, and then it's time to add my ginger, my garlic, butter, thyme, and throw back the pork in there. Uh-oh, the truck shut off, but that's fine. No, I forgot to turn the hand back. Alright, so now that's oh god, ginger. Alright, drop my whole stick of butter in there. Because I want it buttery and garlicky and all of that good stuff. So butter, garlic and thyme. And this is fresh garlic and fresh thyme and the ginger. Some chili powder for a little bit of heat. Oh, that's a lot of heat. Some black pepper. Oh man, that smells so good. Okay, now we gonna add our pork. Woo, it's popping, it's popping, it's popping. Okay. Make that cook in the butter for a minute. Ugh. Woo! Ow! Alright, now I'm going to take it out. And that's what that looked like. But I'm gonna make sure it get more garlicky. Don't worry. Oh boy. Now I'm gonna put my potatoes in the pot. Now I turned the pot down because we don't want the water splash on me. We don't want the oil splash on me. But I'm gonna turn it back up just for a minute. And these gonna cook in that butter and that garlic and that ginger and that thyme. Yeah. So I added some more butter to this. It's still warm, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this and let the butter just melt in all of this nice warmness, and then when I'm ready to eat, I will show you. But that's the potatoes over there. Let me turn this down for a little bit. And this is 2-day dinner. And guys, me I tell you say you can cook on the truck and eat good food when you want to eat. Alright? Make it a habit. This is how my potatoes are going. So now I'm gonna add my broccoli. And I just want my broccoli to just like steam a little bit or cook a little bit in here. I don't want it too crunchy. I don't want it too soft or too but just enough. Sprinkle like a salt. Just a tad bit. I know it look enough, but a little bit, I promise. And then I'm gonna make this one because I taste one of my potatoes a while ago and it's okay. So it edible. It can eat, alright? But I want it a little bit softer and I don't want my broccoli too hard. See? So I turn this down because I just want to show no say, you know. See? Alright. Taste this. I'm gonna cover this up, but with them broccoli that I want to cook. See there? Nice and golden and crispy. just like where I want it. Tastes like garlic, tastes like ginger, tastes like everything. I'm gonna get the dance. You know what that means. We don't know if you not hear me, sorry. Somebody there telling me say potato soft. I just put the broccoli in there because I want the broccoli to cook a little bit. I don't want to cook too much and I want the potato to cook a little bit more, but it's alright. I just put a little bit of salt on it because it needed a little bit of salt. And so far, so good. So when it done, me show them. I already put the butter in my pork and I put it in the microwave. So when I done, I plate up everything, me show them. Okay, so my phone battery is dying, so I'm just gonna do it this way, okay? I'll take a better picture so y'all can see. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. And this is the finished product. It's not as buttery as I wanted it to be. I think I did something wrong, but I'm gonna do it again. But it's thinner. I know it's garlicky and gingery, that much I know, but it's not as buttery as I wanted it to be. So there you go. Dinner's ready. And yes, I did all of this on my truck. All of this on my truck. I'm at the receiver. I wait for them unload me. So why not cook and eat? Oh, taste this time. Broccoli, got a potato,